Artificial intelligence is currently one of the most powerful tools we have, and yet most people only use it on a surface level. They type in a few prompts, receive mediocre results, and then say, "This doesn't work." But the problem is almost never the AI itself, it's the way people interact with it. In this video, I'll show you 7 clear steps to use AI, especially ChatGPT, in a way that helps you work more productively, make better decisions, and achieve results that 99% of users never reach. And this applies even if you're just getting started. Chapter 1. Why most people use AI incorrectly. Many people treat ChatGPT like a tool you simply ask spontaneous questions. They type, "Write me an email to a client." The output might look correct at first glance, but it often doesn't fit the tone, intent, or individual context. Then they conclude, "That sounds artificial. This isn't helpful." However, AI can only deliver strong results when it knows who you are, what you do, how you communicate, what your goals are, which constraints and conditions apply. Without context, ChatGPT can only provide generic default answers. So the goal is to define your context once, clearly, and then use it continuously. This is where the master prompt comes in. Chapter 2. The master prompt. Your foundation. A master prompt is a document that stores your personal preferences. Think of it as a profile the AI learns about you. It includes, for example, what you do professionally, the goals you pursue, how you make decisions, how you communicate, brief, detailed, neutral, humorous, etc. What is important to you, which formats you use often, emails, planning documents, content, etc. Example, I run a company with 20 employees. We create media and educational content for entrepreneurs. I value clear and structured communication. Results should be concrete, realistic, and actionable. Once you define this clearly, the AI can immediately tailor everything it produces specifically to you. Many people pay consultants hundreds of dollars to create this, but you can do it far easier. You let ChatGPT ask you the questions itself. Process. 1. Briefly describe your role. 2. The AI asks targeted questions. 3. You answer them carefully once. 4. ChatGPT generates your master prompt, which you then save as a PDF. Now, whenever you start a new project, you simply upload this file, and the AI instantly knows how to operate for you. Chapter 3. System prompts, controlling AI behavior. While the master prompt explains who you are, the system prompt defines how the AI should behave. For example, should it answer briefly or in detail? Should it evaluate critically or reflect neutrally? Should it propose ideas or simply respond to prompts? Should results be presented in bullet points, paragraphs, or tables? Many poor results occur simply because these rules are missing. The key: first, collaborate with ChatGPT to produce an excellent result. Once the output is perfect, ask ChatGPT to generate the system instruction that would reliably produce the same style in the future. Example, you let ChatGPT draft an email. You refine it together. When it's perfect, say, "Write a system prompt that will generate future emails in exactly this style." This creates a reusable instruction that works every time. Chapter 4. Using projects. Storing context long-term. Another common issue. Every conversation starts from zero. Important information gets lost, which wastes time and reduces quality. Project folders solve this. Imagine a project as a dedicated workspace. Your master prompt is stored here. Additional documents, decisions, ideas, data, analysis notes. If you work within this project, the AI knows everything from previous context. This is extremely helpful for long-term business decisions, content planning, strategy development, team collaboration, and you can share projects so teams can work on them together. Chapter 5, Canvas, Improving Results. Step by step. Canvas is an interactive workspace inside ChatGPT. Advantages: you can save content, edit it directly, refine it with the AI in real time. This means no continuous regenerating from scratch. Instead, incremental refinement, typical use cases, improving an email, polishing marketing copy, revising a script, structuring a strategy document. You work like in Google Docs, but with integrated AI assistance. This helps avoid hallucinations, Style inconsistencies. Repeated rewriting. The iterative process is what separates average results from professional ones. Chapter 6. Custom instructions. In your settings, you can define how the AI should respond by default without repeating your preferences every time. For example, use a clear and concise tone. Avoid unnecessary filler language. Organize results logically. Provide examples or action steps when helpful. This saves a tremendous amount of time in everyday workflows. Chapter 7. Creating your own GPTs. If you perform a task repeatedly, it's worth creating your own GPT for it. Start small. For example, an SOP GPT that turns meeting notes into structured action steps. Key components of a robust GPT: input check, output validation, error handling, multiple export formats. Examples: social media post generator, meeting summary tool, content idea generator, financial analysis assistant. You simply insert your system prompt, save, done. This is also where people start monetizing AI, and by automating repeatable workflows. Chapter 8. Integrating AI into your daily routine. To see real benefits, consistency matters, not experimentation, habit. Examples of if X, then AI routines. After every meeting, generate actions plus responsibilities. Before sending proposals, extract value points plus simplify tone. Before making decisions, list alternatives plus risks, 7-day setup plan. Day 1, create your master prompt. Day 2, create one system prompt. Day 3, set up project folders. Day 4, practice canvas refinement. Day 5, clean up custom instructions. Day 6, build a small GPT. Day 7, review progress plus define KPIs. Conclusion: the power doesn't lie in producing more output, but in using a better process. Clear goals, structured prompts, reusable instructions, continuous refinement, measurable progress. This transforms AI from a casual tool into a reliable work system that saves time, improves quality, and supports better decisions. AI isn't going away. The question isn't whether you use it, but how effectively you use it. If you 1. Create a master prompt 2, define system prompts 3, use project spaces 4, refine results in Canvas 5, set custom instructions 6, build your own GPTs, then you are already ahead of 99% of users. I hope the video was helpful. If so, please give us a thumbs up. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our site so you regularly receive new videos and tutorials and the world of AI becomes more understandable for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.